Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another unboxing video for you guys, and I'm not sure from who it is, but it might be from BzzKit, and you probably already know by the title. So here is my box, and I wanted to open it with you guys because if it is from BzzKit, well, I wanted to share with you guys so you guys could see what other stuff BzzKit sends me. So let's open it up. It feels pretty heavy, so it looks like this. It comes with a paper. So on the paper it just has information of how to review it, so it is from BzzKit. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I thought it was just a little sample, but holy shit, you guys, I got a full-size perfume. What? Holy moly, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, so I got this perfume by Valentino Donna, born in Roma. That is so cool. I got like a full size. It's like really heavy. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. And that's the only thing they sent me, so let's open up the perfume. I'm super excited for this. When I got an email asking if I wanted to review a perfume by Valentino Donna, I said yes, thinking it was just going to be like a little sample, like the YSL sample that I received.
And no, they sent me the full thing.
I'm so freaking happy. So here is the box without the wrapper. So let's look at the bottle. I'm super excited to see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, it already smells good.
Oh my gosh, this is huge.
That's what she said.
I'm so scared to break it. Oh my gosh, this is the most beautiful perfume bottle ever. Look at that. It looks so fancy. I love the detail on the top. It's so cute. Look at that. I literally thought they were just going to send me with those little free sample things, and they sent me the whole thing. This is insane. You guys should definitely sign up to BzzKit because they send like really good stuff. So I think I take this off. Oh, so I do. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It's like a flower scent, I think. Okay, so I don't have any perfume now. So let's spray some on. This smells so good, you guys. You guys have no idea. This perfume right here retails for $130. I just checked online and it's so freaking expensive. I got so lucky to get this perfume. So I'm super excited to add this perfume to my collection. It's so pretty. I love the bottle. I love the texture. I love the color. I love the smell. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this perfume, and let me know if you guys also signed up to BzzKit or BzzKit. And if you guys need help, just let me know. But it's super easy. Just sign up and follow the steps of what to do, and you will be receiving free stuff as well. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Ahora sí, ya no voy a oler a Vaporú, ni a Bengay, ni a pomada del tigre. Voy a estar oliendo a perfume.